The Car Patrol.
Hi, Baby Katie. Baby Amber. Looks like you guys are having a fun day playing in the sunshine. Oh, no. What's that, Baby Katie? You want to drive across the railway track and fetch it? Be careful. What's wrong? Your wheel is stuck? Oh, no. You think we should call the Car Patrol, Baby Amber? Good idea. Don't worry, Baby Katie. We'll be as quick as we can. Guys, we need your help right away. Baby Katie is stuck on the railway track. Can you come right now and help her? Great. Let's go. What are you going to do first? Fly up high and see if there's a train coming? Good idea. There she is. The Car Patrol are on their way. Oh no, there's Troy. We need to stop him right away. Troy, the train is heading this way. What are we going to do? You're going to use your speed booster to catch up to Troy and slow him down? Great idea, Matt. Let's hurry. He can't hear you, Matt. Try again. Slow down. Baby Katie is trapped on the railway line. Phew, that was close. We need to get Baby Katie off the track. Have you guys got any ideas? You're going to tow her off the track, Frank? Good idea. Okay, Frank, you'll have to pull really hard. Harder, Frank. Great job. Now you can go ahead, Troy. What's that, baby Amber? Your ball is still on the other side of the tracks? Well, it looks like you guys have one last mission. Great job, Car Patrol. See you next time. The Car Patrol. Hi, Tom. Hi, baby Tom. Looks like you two are enjoying a fun weekend camping trip. Were you toasting marshmallows? Looks yummy. You've had a full day in the fresh air, guys. Are you going to bed soon? Baby Tom wants to relax by the fire a bit longer. Oh dear, it's getting very windy out. Be careful, baby Tom. The fire has spread. Move away from the campfire quickly. Tom, wake up. The campfire has spread and it's moving towards your tent. Don't worry, Tom. We'll get you out of there. Come on, baby Tom. Let's call the Car Patrol for help. Hey guys, a fire broke out at the campsite where Tom and baby Tom are camping. And Tom is stuck in his tent. Can you help? Great, let's go. Hurry! Follow Hector. He'll lead the way to the campsite by following the smoke from the fire. Don't worry, baby Tom. The Car Patrol is here. You better stand back. You should always stay far away from a fire. It's very dangerous. Matt, how will you get Tom out of the tent if the flames are so high? Great idea, Matt. You could pull the tent away from the fire and try to get Tom out. Now, let's see what the trouble is with that zipper. The tent and zipper have started to melt. That's why Tom can't get out. Matt suggests using a small screwdriver if you have one in the tent with you. If you poke a hole in the tent, we can just rip it to get you out. Good idea, Matt. Great job, Tom. You're free. You were very brave, baby Tom. Good job calling Car Patrol. There. The fire is completely out. Thanks to you, Frank. Thanks, Car Patrol. Tom and baby Tom are safe and can go home to their garage tonight. Maybe you can save the campfires and marshmallows for a day that's not so windy, guys. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Hello, Matt and Frank. What a beautiful day, isn't it? Amber, what's going on? Why are you sad? Oh, poor Amber. You lost your light. No worries, Amber. Matt and Frank will find your light back in no time. Let's tell them what happened. Matt, Frank, Amber is in trouble. She lost her light. You need to help her find her light back. Amber is near the hospital, Matt. It's on your left. Amber, Matt and Frank are here to help. Okay, Matt and Frank, let's go. Let's check the playground first. Nope, not here. Matt, Frank, maybe we should ask other cars if they haven't seen Amber's light. Maybe we can go to Tom's. He might be able to help us. Hello, Tom. We're looking for Amber's light. Have you seen it by any chance? Let's go see Gary the garbage truck. Hi, Gary. Have you seen Amber's light? Cheer up. I'm sure you will find Amber's light in no time now. What's that, Frank? Yes, you're right. That's the light. Well done, friends. But how are we going to get it now? Awesome, Frank. What a good idea. Bravo, Frank. Amber, Matt, and Frank found your light. Wow, it works very well. Bravo, friends. See you next time, friends. The Car Patrol. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Steve. See you two later, maybe when the cement is dried. Uh-oh, I hope those baby cars don't drive into Christopher's wet cement. Hey kids, be careful. Don't panic. We just have to get you out of that cement quick before it dries. Great. Your friends have gone to get help from the Car Patrol. One at a time, kids. Don't worry, Matt and Frank have a rescue plan. It's okay, kids. The Car Patrol's here to rescue you. What's the plan, guys? You're going to spray the cement with water so it turns to liquid again? What are you going to do next, Matt? I hope you're strong enough to pull the babies out of that cement. Wow! What strength! Well done, Matt. Now it's time to clean you up, little one, while Matt rescues your buddy. Come on, you can do it, Matt. Good job. Hey, here come Christopher and Steve. Frank's right, Christopher. You don't have to worry. The babies are okay. But maybe next time you could put up some warning signs. Thanks for the apology. Matt and Frank will put some cones around the cement for you if you want to redo your work. It's just like new again. That's better.